In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Ethereum wallet so you can start receiving and sending Ethereum. So to do this, we're going to use a Chrome extension called the Trust Wallet. So go and search on Google for Trust Wallet and then go to their official website, which is going to be trustwallet.com. Once you're here, you'll be able to download the wallet. You can also get the web app as well, but right now we'll focus on the extension. So click download extension. And then it's going to ask you what browser you're using. I'm using Chrome, so we'll click Chrome. Then it will redirect us to the Chrome web store, where what we can do, we can go ahead and add this to Chrome. So it's got over 1 million users. It is a very safe wallet, and it allows us to own our Ethereum ourselves with the private keys. So once you click add to Chrome, it will then install the extension. So here we go. The Trust Wallet has been added to Chrome. Now, if you exit out of that, it should open up Trust Wallet, and this will begin the welcome page. Now what you can do from here, if you don't have a wallet already, click create a new wallet and enter in a password here. So make sure you remember this because it is going to allow you to gain access again to your wallet. So make sure you remember this. So enter in your password and then confirm it, agree to the terms and then click next, and it will take you to the next window. So now what you can do, you can go ahead and click share data if you want to share data with them. If you don't know, just click no thanks, it's fine. Now your wallet is going to be ready to use. Make sure you've got trust set to default wallet, then click open wallet. Now there are a couple of things that you need to do before we start getting a bit carried away. We need to go to back up your secret phrase, and it's going to then show you, once you click show, a secret phrase. This is a 12-word phrase, and this along with your password will be used to get back into your wallet if you lose access to your computer, or the Trust Wallet gets uninstalled, or you have to restart your computer. This 12-word phrase will get you back into your wallet and you won't lose your money. So make sure you write this down. I recommend on a physical piece of paper. So once you've done that and you wrote down your wallet, you can then access your wallet by going to the puzzle icon. Then you should find Trust Wallet. If you click on it, it will then open this application. Here to find your Ethereum address, scroll down to Ethereum. Click on Ethereum, and now what you can do, you can get the receive address by clicking receive, click Ethereum, and here is your recipient address for Ethereum. If you wanted to send Ethereum, you click on send, and then you could send in the recipient address and the amount. So that's how you can do it, and that's how you can get set up with Ethereum straight away.